This is a 2021 Huster Raptor XD 60 with the Kawasaki engine. Has the Kawasaki FR730V. Whenever this machine came in, the previous owner had replaced one of the tires. The rear tires didn't match, so we put two of these higher aggressive or more aggressive tires on. So these rear tires are brand new. Has a 60-inch deck. Deck appears to be very well built, very strong. The front tires do have a couple of patches in them. We've got some scuffs, scrapes, and dings. And then one of the supports does have some form of corrosion or something on it, but the other ones all look good. We did go ahead and sharpen the blades on this. We gave it a full service, including engine oil change, oil filter change, new air filter, fuel filter, spark plugs, that kind of thing. This machine only has 146 hours on it. It's got a 60-inch cutting deck, has brand new tires on the rear. The seat is comfy. It's in okay shape, but again, it has a couple of scratches on it and some stress marks down here. Other than that, it's a very clean machine. Just serviced, ready to be put to work. If you have any questions about this Huster, or if you'd like to take it for a test spin or take it home, feel free to reach out to us. All of our contact details are in the information below. Hey, thanks for watching.